Camera, yes. Good day, YouTubies. Welcome to my channel. Exciting news for me today. I've just taken delivery of my new Mavic Air Fly Mode Combo. Oh, I did have this on pre-order from Jessop's for over a week, maybe 10 days, and every Monday that I rang, they told me to ring, check stock levels, and they couldn't give me any information at all. And it was starting to look like maybe the middle of March when it might arrive. So I cancelled the order 2 days ago, and I was just going to move forward without the drone for now, and just get maybe a Sony a6500 and a couple of lenses, which I still plan on getting. But I decided just to do a quick search on Google, and the first place that popped up was Hobby Mounts in Cornwall. Big shout out to them. Friendly chat service. Spoke to a guy named Paul, asked him if they had any stock. He said yes, they had a white one, at least one, and asked about delivery, and he was online the whole time. I placed my order and it was shipped within an hour. And I got it the next day, which is today. It's the 6th of February 2018. And in very, well, I just got this today in Christmas fashion, like late Santa Claus presents. It's also proper snowing like. So there's not much chance of me getting out today with the drone anyway. So it's just going to be unboxing it and smelling the new plastic and electronics. All the good stuff. So if you'd like to stick around and watch me while I comb my hair and my untidy office, I will sort that out this week. Where's my parcel opening knife? Last video I said I had a dedicated knife. I can't find it. Standing knife. Sealed. All sealed. Always a good sign. You need a very steady hand. If anyone remembers Operation from the 80s, probably actually the 70s. Ooh. Ooh, did you hear that crisp noise? Oh, look at it, nice and black on the inside. Nice touch. Very neatly packaged. Where are we? There you go. Obviously, with the Fly Mode combo, you do get the extra little travel bag. It's a good quality kind of Hessian material there, or Cordura, maybe something like that. Nice heavy duty strap. Now, mind you, I expect it to be well made considering how much it would cost. I think these bags are about 70 quid on their own. I don't know what it's doing, but it's got the controller in there, which looks nice. And something else. There's still some weight in here, so these must be. Yeah, so in there we've got the a couple of batteries. Is that a charging hub, maybe? Batteries, wow, they are tiny. That's really small, which of course you'd expect it to be. It's not a Phantom 4. So 3 batteries all together. Nice shiny charger or power. There's USB and a plug, and that's a nice little padded case so far. I was under the impression of it being a travel bag, it would be an all-in-one affair. But this is just 2 batteries, the charging hub, power supply and the controller. That ultimately means that the drone itself is obviously in its own package. And there it is. Nice semi-hard case. Some stuff, foreign language, elasticated at the back there. I think that's so you can, I did see another video, somebody had the controller kind of stuck in there, and with one of those little rock climbing kind of hooks on the top, maybe fasten that to your belt. Other than that, there's no way of carrying it. Not sure what's going on with that. Here we go. You're going to see at the same time as me. Oh! Wow! Look at the size of that. Or not even the size of that. So there you go. Obviously not the first review. Technology wise, this is old hat now. It's been out a couple of weeks. But it does feel like a toy. It does feel like a toy. But it's going to be my little remote stormtrooper. Those motors are tiny. Amazing what can be achieved now compared to the first drones that came out. So there it is. Go and create. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe and follow me on my journey as I start my new career in 4K video, or not specifically 4K, but in video. I am a late starter, although I did start a long time ago. I had a bit of a long break, but the advent of new digital technology now has just inspired me to get out and do more. There are some amazing things. People are creating fantastic videos on YouTube, etc. I do have a couple of favorites, which I'll not mention now. Let's make something happen. See you in the next one. A little add-on for this video. This Fly More combo bag has got me stumped so far. I haven't spent any real time trying to figure it out, but it's folded in such a manner. I mentioned earlier in the video about it doesn't seem like I'll be able to take the drone and the batteries and charge it all in one case. That was the point of the package. It's folded in a manner I can't figure it out. So I'm just gonna let you see if you can figure it out yourself. We got the handle, but then it's kind of folded at the side. I'm gonna zip the top back up. It's basically looking like you will be able to get it all in one package, but I can't figure it. What's that? What the hell? I can't figure this out. Apparently we've been to the moon. I can't figure this bag out. This could be a long video. Just give yourself some slack. So that would open at the top. A little flap at the back. Can you work this out? Oh, so there. What the hell is that? I don't know how the hell that's supposed to work. There is a little diagram. Come on. But that's just ridiculous so far. DJi logo there. Carry strap will obviously go at the top, which is going to put constant pressure on this here, pulling up. In fact, if that's carried that way. And then if it goes that way, that means the zips underneath. I don't know, maybe I'm going to come back and revisit this. That doesn't make any sense to me. Well, hold on. Hiya.
Hi. Left the door open.
Unlocked, you mean? Right, I figured it out. There's the bag. This, I suppose, could be regarded as the front. Seems a bit precarious to me. So there's the drone, but it kind of just, you can just stick it in there. Just kind of hanging. There's no padding or anything. And then zip that up, and then you will little hang like that. So your drone's sitting in there, right on the outside, no padding. It's kind of by its own weight is pulled up, and this flap pulls back. I don't think that's a good bag. I'm immediately not impressed. I wouldn't want to be carrying that on my shoulder and maybe trip. I'm just going to land on that. There's no protection, even just a knock or a bang walking past something. Hold on. Slow day at the office for me here today. The Mavic Air obviously goes back inside of its own little case, and then it goes into the bag. And then it's carried. My bad, I do apologise, DJi. You should have read the instructions. I don't know whether to delete this video.